Hello and welcome to Chester Peugeot. My name is Charlotte and today we'll be taking you around this approved used 2019 edition Peugeot 208 Tech Edition that does come complemented in the modernised Nimbus Grey paintwork. Housing your 1.2 petrol engine and manual transmission, it is an ideal Nippy City upgrade or as a first car. Housing plenty of advanced features including your LED headlights for enhanced visibility, stylish 16-inch alloys and the protection of your parking sensors, reversing camera and even power folding wing mirrors. The boot offers enough space for all of your daily essentials, followed by a full cloth upholstery to ensure maximum comfort. Stepping into the front, you do have the convenience of your multifunctional steering wheel and central touch display screen, and again the comfort of a full cloth trim, and for those summer months you'd even have the bonus of a full glass sunroof. Moving on to the steering wheel, you do have various audio controls, followed on your central display by your navigation to help you in those unfamiliar areas. Of course, you do have a whole range of radio stations to keep yourself well entertained, with of course the option for your Bluetooth connection to listen to your own preferred audio. This does also come compatible with your Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and MirrorLink. You do also have the activation of your reversing camera to help you in those tricky parking spots, followed by your dual climate controls, power outlets and even your central cup holders. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information regarding this vehicle, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.